Holly McKhann with the hottest new listing in San Clemente. This gorgeous home has been remodeled top to bottom, 4-bed, 2.5 bath, 2,168 square feet with a 12,000 square foot lot. Let's go through and look at all the details. As you approach the home, you can appreciate the fresh new landscape. There's gorgeous new sod all in the front yard and plants that you see when you walk into the home. The new front door, made of wood that's naturally stained, has an elegant contemporary feel. Come over here to the living room, you can really appreciate the open concept. This home has had a wall removed and been opened up so everything flows seamlessly from the living room to the dining area to the kitchen. The home features vaulted ceilings and lots of windows to let in natural light. You also have new recessed lighting as well as new windows. The kitchen has been redesigned and doubled in size. There's loads of storage in the supersized island with comfortable seating for 4 on the other side. You've got the extra deep pots and pan drawers that everybody wants these days, and they have the soft close option as well. Next up, you have a drawer microwave. It gets the microwave off the counter and hides it, and it's so convenient. Your new kitchen is complete with stainless steel appliances, including a 6-burner range with oven, stainless steel dishwasher, and a stainless steel refrigerator that is included with the home. As you come around the corner from the kitchen, you enter upon another dining area as well as a seating area that opens to the backyard. Loads of natural light once again. And another great part about this house is all the extra storage that the owners built into the wall here. What used to be a wet bar is now filled with storage for food or other items. The primary suite features vaulted ceilings also. You've got pan lights as well as a ceiling fan to keep you extra cool during those summer months. The primary suite's bathroom features a brand new dual vanity with 2 separate medicine cabinets and a newly tiled walk-in shower. Just imagine relaxing in your backyard with your friends and family, or maybe even by yourself with a book or a cup of coffee. The backyard is generously sized, so it's perfect for pets, little ones, a pool, or whatever you'd like to do. San Clemente Pier is just a short drive away, as well as all the fun shops on Avenida Del Mar, and yet you're also equally close to Dana Point Harbor. Dana Point Harbor is undergoing a $600 million renovation, and man, is it going to be gorgeous when it's done. So it's just a 10-minute drive either way to Dana Point downtown or to San Clemente downtown. So many wonderful options to enjoy for fun and recreation. If you'd like a tour of this home, make sure you contact me right away because it's going to be gone soon.